Hey guys, Gameboy 3800 here, once again with another big old box. And inside of it is something way older than it. I mean, as you could have guessed. Let's get her open. This is quite the machine, I think. Need some work though. This box was really good and I wanted to reuse it, but then I just cut through the entire side here. So now it's not good. It's a recycled goods computer. I bought from them before and liked their service, so they're a repeat customer, or I'm a repeat customer of theirs. So that's cool. Toss that now bad looking box aside. And undo the tape here. It's not a very big unit, but trust me, it's got a little bit of history to it. It's not in the best condition from what I remember on the listing, but it should work. Assuming I can find a compatible power adapter. If I remember, it should just have a regular circle power plug. Yep. And here it is, the AST Power Exec 325 SL. Now this is a pretty cool looking little mini computer. You might be able to tell, hopefully the camera can pick it up good. The screen is busted. Hopefully be able to find a different replacement unit in the future. Wow, that is a lot of screen play. That is very funky. Screen's broken. Looks like it would have been cool to look at. I don't know how it could have broken, really. What kind of impact would have caused it to do that? Screen latches seem to work pretty well. Oh dear. I need some kind of screw repair work here because I was just lifting up that side panel. Thought I had a screwdriver here. Where did it go? In the drawer? In the drawer. That's too big. Okay. I'll see if I can find one that fits. This one should fit good. It's already about as tight as that can be. Is there even a screw in this back left corner? No, there's not. Well then, I guess we'll have to try to find another one. But take a look at it. It's in pretty good shape, I would say. It's got these little peg feet that screw or unscrew to tighten or loosen. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. If we take a look here, underneath this should be a 200 megabyte hard disk. Don't want to do any unnecessary force if I don't have to, so I'm not using any kind of tools. I should just be able to get it out with just my hand. Here we go. Ah, yes, this is a chunky one. Look at how big it is. Haha. It is pretty heavy. I can't wait to see how that sounds. Old hard drives sound really, really good. It's like old, big car engines. Very big, not very fast, but they make a good sound. 325, I'm going to see if it can tell me its power and voltage. Does not look like it. Maybe the battery can tell us some information here. Assuming I can get the battery out. How do I do this? Okay. Just comes right out there. Here's the battery. Doesn't tell me what kind of battery it is. Nickel cadmium. Wow. Oh man, don't explode this. That won't be good for the environment. Battery is dead. If I can't get it to boot, I'll try removing the battery. I hear cadmium batteries do like to not let it boot. I'll see if I can get it to power up with one of the power adapters I've got here. Hopefully it will. Quite a few different amount of power plugs here. I was trying to get an old Zeos laptop up and running, but evidently it needs to be a very specific power supply, so I couldn't get it to power up. Let's see if I cause smoke here. It's the other side. I do get a charge light, that's good. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh wow. The screen does work, it's just broken. Let's see if it gives a picture of any kind. Nah, that is shot. 2 beeps, I don't know what that means. I'll see if I can get a monitor plugged up. Give me a second. Well, it's not exactly period correct, but I'd say it's properly vintage. I tried a flat screen VGA monitor. It did not work. So, we got this one. Ooh, the ground shakes when it powers up. Let's see if I can get the picture to go onto this monitor. Ah yes, look at that. Haha. Got it working. Check the computer's battery. Let's take a look at what's under the panel here. If it'll let me. Ah, that's where the memory goes. Look at that. Very easy access. I believe I have another AST that did that. That's cool. FN F2 is what I'm going to do. Configuration, corrupted or battery low. Press any key to continue. Okay. Sorry for the flicker. That's what old CRT monitors used to do. Power management. Max performance. Characterize battery. Enable, disable, smart sleep. Disk type. Exit the menu. System configuration. No mouse. And then update BIOS. Action save. F1 to continue booting. Let's see what we get here. Ah, Windows 95. Oh. Windows 95. How do I get into Windows in Windows 95? Windows 95 is way newer than I thought this thing would have. Oh. That activated the inboard monitor. Okay, there we go. How do I get to Windows 95 desktop? Because I thought it was Win. DIR. When in doubt, DIR. Volume C has no label. Nice. Okay, so it's a wiped drive. I guess that makes sense. No, it doesn't. The last computer I got from, what do you call it? Recycled Goods had Windows 95 and it was good to go. Volume and drive C has no label. Directory of drive C. There's only one file, 92, 93 megabytes. I don't know. I'll see if I can get it to boot to Windows, and if not, I'll be back eventually, I guess. Well, I can't get it to show, and the keyboard is just actually awful. It's just very old and used, you know. And I realize now that that's 93 kilobytes, not 93 megabytes used. Well, I tried. I would love to get Windows on it, and then a program to tell me exactly what model name this display is, because I would love to get the display working again, but obviously it is in a less than ideal state. So that'll be it for now. It's working. It's ready for Windows. It's just, I don't know. Let's shut you down. At least you got to see the old CRT boot up, right? See you in the future.